Welcome to our video on the top 5 money-making apps of 2023. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which apps are actually worth your time. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We've done the research and compiled a list of the best apps for making money right from your phone. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just a way to make a little extra cash, these apps have got you covered. From taking surveys to selling items, these apps make it easy for anyone to earn some extra money. And the best part is, you can do it all right from the comfort of your own home. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the top 5 money-making apps of 2023. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a cash rewards app and website that pays its members in exchange for completing online tasks, playing games, filling out surveys, and more. The app offers a wide range of surveys on various topics, and the rewards vary depending on the survey's length and complexity. You can also earn rewards by watching videos and shopping through their partner sites. Once you've earned enough points, you can redeem them for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Hebda. This app allows you to earn cash back on groceries and online purchases. All you have to do is scan your receipt or link the app to your loyalty card, and you'll earn cash back on eligible purchases. The app offers cash back on a wide range of products, including groceries, clothing, and electronics. You can then withdraw your earnings through PayPal or Venmo. Rakuten. Rakuten rewards shoppers with cash back on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants, and food delivery services. Users can also earn cash back on travel, gift cards, and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the store where you want to shop in the app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to earn cash back in-store, as long as you activate the deal through the app first. Rakuten credits the cash back to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which it says can take a few hours to several days. FOP. This app is for people who love photography. It allows you to sell your photos to brands and individuals. You can upload your photos to the app and set a price for others to license them. FOP also offers a mission feature where brands can give specific tasks for photographers to complete and get paid for their work. It's a great way to turn your passion for photography into a business. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie rewards you for sharing your opinions and digital activity. After you sign up with the app, it will match you with surveys that you can complete on your own time and earn points for. You can also earn points by adding the Survey Junkie Pulse extension to your browser, which shares your digital browsing activity with market researchers. Points can then be redeemed for cash via PayPal or gift cards with popular retailers. Survey Junkie states that all data collected from both survey responses and digital activity are encrypted and collected directly by the researchers. Users can choose what they want to share to maintain privacy. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.